Welcome to this video on sentiment analysis using generative AI. After watching this video, you will be able to describe sentiment analysis and leverage generative AI for sentiment analysis to identify customer sentiments. Additionally, you'll identify a few tools that can be used for sentiment analysis and explain considerations of implementing generative AI sentiment analysis tools in customer support. Sentiment analysis in customer support is a process for identifying and measuring customers' positive or negative feelings for products, services, or brands from customer interactions. Generative AI in sentiment analysis leverages natural language processing, or NLP, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, AI algorithms to determine the emotional tone or sentiment expressed in a piece of text. In customer support, sentiment analysis can be performed on various mediums, such as support tickets, surveys, product reviews, and voice calls. Organizations are implementing generative AI in their customer support services through sentiment analysis tools such as Sentisum, Support Logic, BrandWatch, and Idiomatic. These tools help in analyzing customer sentiments in customer support services. Let's review each of them. Sentisum is an AI-powered sentiment analysis tool. It uses machine learning to analyze customer feedback across the support system and survey interactions to provide detailed insights into the customer sentiments. This can help the support team know the areas for improvement and challenges. Sentiment Analysis Tool. Support Logic caters to business B2B teams. It analyzes data across the customer support tickets and provides insights into sentiment trends and issues. It can proactively prevent customer experience issues, providing recommendations for improvements. BrandWatch is a generative AI sentiment analysis tool for analyzing customers' feedback on social media. It can combine social media messages at one place, providing insights into brand and customer sentiments. Idiomatic is similar to Sentisum in design and functionality. It can analyze customers' feedback quickly. This tool is useful for customer support while launching a new product. Integrating generative AI in sentiment analysis tools for customer support can improve response quality, resolve issues faster, and create more personalized interactions. Let's understand how generative AI and sentiment analysis tools can work together in the customer support system. Generative AI in sentiment analysis tools helps identify customer sentiments in real time using generative pre-trained GPT models. For example, a customer is irritated with the long waiting time while connected with customer support. Here, generative AI chatbots or voice assistants can detect customers' expressions, such as anger or frustration, in real time and respond with empathy, or escalate tickets to the support agents if required. In customer support, the generative AI uses sentiment analysis results to make automatic response adjustments. For example, the customer expresses dissatisfaction with receiving the defective product. Here, generative AI sentiment analysis tools identify customers' tone and adjust their own tone accordingly to be softer and more empathetic to calm the customer. The generative AI sentiment analysis tools dig out the customer's interaction history from chat, email, voice calls, or social media for accessing and monitoring customers' emotional tracks. This allows the support system to understand emotional patterns, such as recurring frustration or improvement in customer sentiments. As an example, consider a customer who is repeatedly dissatisfied with the billing service. In this case, the generative AI sentiment analysis tools track the frequency of the repetitive issue, flag the issue ticket to the support agent, and suggest improvement areas in the service to the support team. Generative AI sentiment analysis tools can also provide real-time proactive customer support based on customer sentiments. For example, if a customer writes negative feedback on social media regarding the shipment delay, in such cases, sentiment analysis tools identify early signs of dissatisfaction or anger in customers' text, generate a preventive response with an apology, and offer discounts immediately to customers before they quit services. Sentiment analysis tools assist support agents in handling complex issues by identifying real-time customer sentiments. For example, suppose the customer is upset with an unresolved issue that has been pending for a long time. In that case, the sentiment analysis can generate customers' real-time sentiment reports, notifying the support agent about their emotional shift and suggesting polite responses. Generative AI sentiment analysis tools help support systems improve performance and customer service strategy by analyzing customer feedback and common patterns in their interactions. For example, customers complain about the quality of products and showcase dissatisfaction. Here, sentiment analysis tools generate reports for the customer's feedback and highlight common issues. It can also suggest strategies for improving the quality of the service, adjust response strategies, and identify the root cause of the customer's dissatisfaction. Maintaining multilingual sentiment analysis is challenging because of language-specific distinctions, cultural differences, and lack of proper data. Retaining data privacy and biases and responsible use of sentiment analysis techniques is important. Ensuring transparency and data compliance with data protection regulations is vital while conducting sentiment analysis. In this video, you've learned about sentiment analysis, its tools, and use cases for implementing generative AI sentiments in customer support. Sentiment analysis in customer support is a data analysis process for identifying and measuring customers' feelings for the products or services. Generative AI in sentiment analysis uses NLP machine learning and AI algorithms for analyzing and interpreting textual data to identify customer sentiments. Sentiment analysis tools help in predicting customer sentiments in customer support. Such tools are SentiSum, Support Logic, BrandWatch, and Idiomatic. Generative AI in sentiment analysis tools allows us to analyze customer sentiments in real time, adjust responses automatically, and track and monitor customer sentiments. It can also provide proactive and preventive customer support, assist support agents, and provide sentiment-based reporting and suggestions. However, implementing multilingual sentiment analysis is challenging. Retaining data privacy and transparency is important, and ensuring to remain compliant with data is vital.